I'm back. My apologies for being away or being missing in action for a few days. I've had some software issues. My video editor and recorder has retired permanently. I can't fix it. I don't know what's wrong with it, so I've had to get a new software, and now I'm trying to get used to it. As you can see, my mugshot in the corner is missing. I cannot find how to make this thing record both the screen and from the webcam at the same time, so you're going to have to do without that for a while. But the chart is the most important, I suppose, and that's what you're here for. As you can see, what you're looking at the moment is the Bitcoin chart. The last time we spoke, or the last time I made a video about this, Bitcoin had crossed the line and on the wrong side of the line and was heading down, to my amazement and surprise. As you can see here, this line as well as this line were my second flag, or my new flag, and Bitcoin broke out right here. I said it would probably test this trend line for a while, which it did. It came down. As you can see, those little candle wicks touched quite a few times there. One of them broke it once or twice over there. But basically it followed the trend line for a while, and then it broke through to the downside, which really surprised me, and I could only surmise that this was due to more market manipulation, more people trying to get into the market, manipulating the market to bring it down and to get in. And I anticipated then that it would probably bounce back, which it did, and it came up back to on top of my trend line, my original trend line, only for a little while, and then it just shot down again, and I thought, well, what the hell is going on here? But it didn't last very long, and we went back up, and it's done that a few times. And as you can see, what it has actually done is, if it had stayed inside my second flag, my prediction was that once it got close to the point of the flag and the pressure had built up, I predicted that it was going to break out on the upside, and we were going to see some positive movement. What it has done is, as I said, it's made this downward trend out of the flag, below the trend line, and then it came up and has followed the trend line, and it basically shot up back to within the flag, or rather straight through it, more or less at the point where I anticipated it would have broken out anyway. So I suppose maybe it's fair to assume that this whole section of the chart was market manipulation that nobody could predict, and surely the charts couldn't have predicted it. What has happened now is that it has blown up right through the point of my flag, as I originally anticipated it would. It went up for a while, and now it is coming down, and possibly, as I said right in the beginning, it might come and test this trend line again. I'm hoping that it's going to test it once or twice maybe, and then head off to carry on its uptrend. But so far, what it has done since the 29th of the 5th, it has made a steady excuse me, it has made a steady rise, which is not a bad thing. We don't want massive rises and massive drops. Those are just indications of serious, could be market manipulation or some serious bad news that has caused the price to drop like this. As you can see, we've had a fairly decent drop now, and we're probably going to test this trend line for a while. I'm hoping that we're going to see some positive movement from here on out. That's my take on Bitcoin for now. Just a quick summary. As I said right in the beginning of my videos, I'm no specialist chartist or anything. Very amateur. I just call it like I see it at the moment. But that's what I see for Bitcoin. As far as the Dignity token goes, let's bring up that chart quickly. As you can see, the Dignity chart is doing pretty well. The price at the moment is 17.3 cents, and we've actually come very close, or we have actually, or there's 17 point, the highest was 17.989, or you can say 18 cents. So we've basically seen 18 cents already. I think this is in anticipation to the upcoming snapshot, airdrop, and the whole launch of everything else. If you've been following the Telegram group, which I try to do, but quite honestly, there is so much rubbish in that group. To pick out the little bits of real information in there is very difficult, but I did sit over the weekend and just skim through a few posts, and what I've come up with is that as you probably know, they have picked up a problem with the smart contract, and I think that is what has created the high withdrawal fees from the Livecoin exchange, and I think that is what is responsible for the tokens being stuck in the CCEX exchange. And as you know, if you have subscribed to the Arbitrade news, you would have got the email telling you that they have hired a team of experienced blockchain and smart contract coders to sort this problem out. Apparently it's not a huge problem, and it should be sorted out pretty soon. We are expecting some news today. They've promised us some news today on the whole thing. I don't know what that is now. Let's just get rid of that. They promised us some news on everything else. I have been getting a few questions, one of them being, do I know whether the airdrop has taken place yet? No, it hasn't. They will not do it until they can get the coins off of the CCEX exchange. Obviously, because everybody's coins there must be quite a few people. There's quite a lot of coins, and they are in the pool exchange or the pool wallet. So people cannot be awarded their coins. I have heard via the grapevine that Livecoin has said that those people who have got their coins or are not taking their coins off of Livecoin will be given their airdrop coins. I think it's going to be called a loyalty coin. They will be getting their loyalty coins because the pool where the dignity tokens are held, which is the exchange pool, will be awarded those tokens. And Livecoin has said that they will be, I believe Livecoin has said that they will be awarding those tokens to account holders, dignity holders in the exchange, which is a good thing. So theoretically, there was no real need to take your coins off of Livecoin, but just to be safe, I think it's a good thing for us. Definitely from a security point of view, if you are not physically trading your coins, actively trading, I would say keep them safe in an offline wallet. Also, I have a feeling that once everything has launched and the Arbitrade exchange is launched, we will be advised to keep to deposit our tokens into the Arbitrade exchange, where it has been said in the white paper that I read that you will actually be paid an interest rate, a positive interest rate on a positive balance of coins on the exchange, which is a fantastic thing. Never been done before. I can't think of any other questions that I have been asked, but that is what is happening at the moment. Nothing too urgent, nothing too urgent to report, nothing too drastic. That's the word I was looking for. Nothing drastic has happened in the last couple of days, but we are expecting some news today. That's it quickly for me. I just wanted to let you know I am still here. I did have some software problems, but I am back and I'm trying to fathom this lot out. Hopefully the editing of this video goes okay. It's a totally new platform for me and I have to learn it. Hopefully I can get this video up today still. Thanks, and let's make some bucks.